I am delighted to describe an educational tool that we developed for teaching and learning MRI by using a guitar as an analogous instrument. Most educators develop a knowledge and a teaching style on MRI that is based a lot on mathematics, and the use of advanced mathematics with imaginary numbers and the use of Fourier transform mathematics can very much bewilder the student in the introduction to this topic. So we developed this analogy, a musical analogy to MRI, to help ease and do away with MRI phobia in early undergraduate students of physics, engineering, or even the health sciences. So the topics that we will cover include resonance, include gradients and spatial encoding, MRI hardware and how similar the hardware is to the various components on a guitar, and then conclude with the MRI software, in other words, the loading of acquired data into the Fourier space. Here is a sample video where we show the relationship between the string frequency and tension, much like the frequency in MRI and magnetic field. Now we're getting close. And now we're tuned back to where it should be. So the tension is very important for setting the string. We can change the tension in another way as well. This is called bending a string. So for example, if I'm playing a note here, I can also change the frequency a little bit by bending it or pushing it hard, and that increases the tension just a little bit and you'll hear it. So that's another way of doing it. On other guitars as well, you will have a whammy bar back here, and when you depress or pull on that whammy bar, you're actually releasing the tension or increasing the tension on the strings. The reason I raise this is that in magnetic resonance imaging, the main tension or the main field strength, T's, on an MR machine is basically these tuners. But there are ways of changing the frequencies just a little bit, and that's through the use of gradient coils. This concludes our introductory video. Please take a moment to view them and also to vote.